Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best halal collagen is probably one of the most sought-after supplements for women looking to enhance their beauty and well-being. Collagen is a vital protein that plays a significant role in maintaining the overall health and appearance of our skin, hair, nails, and joints. This video will explore everything you need to know about halal collagen powder, from its benefits to how to choose the right product for you. Number 5. Flamingo Collagen Gummies for Skin, Hair, and Nails. These hydrolyzed collagen gummies are designed to make you look radiant and healthy. They are made from real collagen derived from sustainable fish. This product uses plant-based vegan pectin and is halal and kosher certified. Are you struggling with weak nails or damaged hair? Then you should try these collagen gummies. It can improve the way your hair looks and feels. You can also alleviate joint pains and rejuvenate new cells with just 2 gummies per day. Don't settle for less than the best. These collagen gummies are made with high-quality ingredients that produce visible and lasting results. Customers rave about the difference they see and feel with this product. This product is made with natural marine collagen for both women and men. It is a great alternative to pills and powders. This supplement is easy to take and effective. This product contains 100% real collagen. It is a great way to improve your skin, hair, and nails. Try it today and see the difference. What we like. These collagen gummies are designed to make your hair and nails stronger. They are also halal and kosher certified, so they are suitable for a wide range of consumers. If you are looking for a convenient and tasty way to boost your collagen intake, you should consider these gummies. What people say. My nails so feel stronger and my skin, I am glowing. My hair is shinier and I don't lose as much during shampoos. They are growing a bit faster and they are coming out stronger. Number 4. Hearthy Foods Collagen Powder. Collagen is essential for our body structure, supporting bones, muscles, and joints. This supplement can help you maintain a robust life and stay in your prime health. It provides the building blocks your body needs to function smoothly. Start your day with a powerful amino acid profile. This collagen powder is a perfect addition to your morning coffee or breakfast. It provides the protein equivalent of an egg without causing any bloating or digestive discomfort. This natural beef collagen is prepared with Islamic principles in mind. It's grass-fed, antibiotic-free, and contains no added sugar or additives. This gluten-free powder is also keto and paleo-friendly, making it a versatile choice. The collagen is hydrolyzed for easy digestion and absorption. This unflavored powder mixes effortlessly in any hot or cold liquid, perfect for smoothies, soups, or coffee. You can enjoy it without any clumps. Each pack provides a month's supply of high-quality collagen peptides. It offers great value and contains types 1 and 3 collagen peptides suitable for both men and women. You can take it once or twice daily. What we like. This collagen powder provides organic collagen peptides, which is great for your body. It is also easy to mix and absorb, so you can add it to your favorite drinks or meals without any hassle. If you are looking for a versatile and healthy collagen supplement that fits your dietary needs, you should consider this one. What people say. This product is unflavored, keto-friendly, gluten-free, and non-GMO, which makes it very easy to incorporate into my daily routine without affecting the taste of my smoothies, coffee, or shakes. It contains 18 g of pure, hydrolyzed collagen peptides per serving from grass-fed sources. The type 1 and 3 collagen is excellent for supporting skin, hair, nails, and joint health. Number 3. SHIFAA Nutrition Halal Collagen Peptides Powder. This collagen powder is designed to support your healthy lifestyle. It's a blend of type I and 3 hydrolyzed collagen, perfect for both men and women. Each serving provides a good amount of collagen peptides and protein. This supplement is suitable for everyone and is both paleo and keto-friendly. It dissolves easily in any food or beverage, and it's unflavored, giving you the flexibility to use it in various ways. It's an excellent way to get your daily collagen intake. Taking this collagen supplement can support your body by working with hyaluronic acid and elastin. It helps maintain the elasticity, volume, and moisture of your skin. It also supports the proteins that form your hair, skin, and nails, keeping them healthy. This halal collagen peptides powder is certified by ISA and made in the United States within an FDA-registered GMP-certified facility. It ensures quality, purity, and potency, and is sourced from grass-fed, pasture-raised bovine. At SHIFAA Nutrition, we prioritize our customers by producing only the highest quality products. We strive for excellence, always putting customer satisfaction first with every product they offer. What we like. This collagen powder is made from grass-fed collagen, ensuring a high-quality source of protein. It is also keto and paleo-friendly, making it suitable for various dietary preferences. If you are looking for a trusted and certified halal collagen supplement, you should consider this product. What people say. This is the only brand that consistently dissolves, completely and easily. I have only used it for 2 weeks now and I already noticed a noticeable improvement in my hair and nails. My hair fall has reduced significantly and my nails are less brittle. The powder dissolves easily in water, smoothies, or coffee, and it has no weird aftertaste. Number 2. Zaytun Halal Collagen Peptides Powder. This grass-fed collagen powder from Zaytun Vitamins has more servings than other brands. It contains essential amino acids to support your joints, gut, muscles, hair, skin, and nails. This halal collagen helps you regain flexibility in your muscles and joints. It also infuses natural energy and endurance, making it a great choice for anyone. Collagen is essential for maintaining youthful skin, hair, and nails. As you age, your body's natural collagen decreases. This powder helps replenish it, restoring fullness and elasticity. Sourced from pasture-raised, grass-fed animals, this collagen provides essential amino acids. The hydrolyzed peptide formula delivers pure results, without any fillers, additives, or preservatives. Zaytun Vitamins Halal Collagen Powder is made in the USA. It's certified halal by the Islamic Services of America and produced in a GMP-certified facility. What we like. This collagen powder supports joint health and is made in the USA. It contains no fillers or additives, ensuring you get a pure and effective product. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to support your joints and overall well-being, you should consider this collagen powder. What people say. After a week of mixing 1 a scoop with my morning tea and 1 a scoop with my afternoon tea, the pain in my knee lessened and now lasts only for half a day. I also noticed an improvement in my elimination, which became easier and smoother. It dissolves very easily in hot liquid. Number 1. Doctor's Recipes Multi-Collagen Peptides. Are you looking for a collagen supplement that does it all? This product is a blend of 5 collagen types for whole body support. It's sourced from grass-fed cows, wild-caught fish, and cage-free chicken. This collagen powder is 100% hydrolyzed, making it easy for your body to digest and absorb. It dissolves easily and mixes smoothly without any clumps or odor. It's a simple way to boost your daily protein intake. Each scoop provides a generous 10 g of collagen. It can be mixed into your favorite drinks or recipes without any aftertaste. It's perfect for anyone looking to support their health and wellness. This collagen revitalizes your skin, hair, and nails. It promotes hydration, firmness, and elasticity for a radiant complexion. It also fortifies your hair and nails, improving their strength and beauty. This product is proudly made in a GMP-certified facility in the USA. It's made with natural ingredients and is non-GMO, soy-free, gluten-free, and dairy-free. It's also keto, paleo, and kosher-friendly. What we like. This multi-collagen powder includes all 5 collagen types for comprehensive support. It is easy to dissolve and has no aftertaste, making it a pleasant addition to your daily routine. If you are looking for a complete and easy-to-use collagen supplement, you should consider this one. What people say. I noticed muscle and joint pains from old injuries improved drastically, and in addition to that I have been getting a lot of compliments on my hair, skin, and nails. It mixes well in my morning drink, whether hot or cold. Does not add any flavor or texture to morning drink. My hair and nails is better now than ever before. Helps with strengthening my nails and my hair grows fast and thick. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.